Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The Monetary Policy Committee met on 28th, 29th and 30th September. Based on an assessment of the macroeconomic situation and its outlook, the MPC decided by a majority of 5 members out of 6, and you guessed it right, to increase the policy repo rate by 50 basis points to 5.9% with immediate effect. Real GDP growth for the current financial year 2022-23 is now projected at 7%, with second quarter at 6.3%, third quarter at 4.6%, and the fourth quarter at 4.6%, with risks broadly balanced. The movement of the Indian rupee has, however, been orderly compared to most other countries. The Indian rupee has depreciated by 7.4% against the US dollar during the same period, that is from 1st April of this year to the date which I just mentioned, that is up to 28th September. So while the US dollar has appreciated by 14.5%, the Indian rupee has depreciated in a very orderly manner